Haryana Staff Selection Commission exam is conducted by Haryana Government for recruitment on various posts like Constable, Sub-Inspector, etc. Let us talk about the eligibility criteria for HSSC exam. The nationality of the candidate must be Indian. Candidates must have passed class 12th or any other equivalent exam with minimum 50% marks. For SCs or ST candidates, minimum qualifying marks in higher secondary school are 45%. The age limit needed for HSSC is 17 to 42 years. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for HSSC exam. The selection process for HSSC includes a knowledge test, physical test, and personal interview. The online test will be conducted for 80 marks in computer-based mode. There will be a total of 100 objective type questions with time duration of 90 minutes. There is no negative marking for wrong attempt. Questions will be asked in 10 sections. The sections will include general studies, general science, current affairs, general reasoning, mental aptitude, numerical ability, agriculture, animal husbandry, and other relevant fields like computer. The questions will be asked in Hindi and English language only. Let us now talk about a few tips and tricks for the HSSC exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Focus on mathematics and reasoning especially and try to solve practice questions within the time limit. There is no negative marking in the online paper, so please attempt all the questions. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Use Prep Guru app of Youth for Work for the preparation of online tests.